Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw BNB from Coinbase to Bitmart in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just looking to switch exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First off, before we jump in, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need verified accounts on both Coinbase and Bitmart, some BNB sitting in your Coinbase wallet, and a good understanding of crypto basics to avoid any mishaps. Security is key in the crypto world, so double-check everything as we go. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio and find your BNB holdings. Click on it to access your wallet options. Step 2. Select the Withdraw button next to your BNB balance. You'll see a form pop up where you need to choose the withdrawal network. For BNB, it's typically BEP2 or BEP20, but always confirm what Bitmart supports to match networks correctly and prevent any lost funds. Step 3. Enter your Bitmart wallet address. This is crucial. Copy it directly from your Bitmart account to avoid typos. Then, specify the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum limits or fees. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, fees, and destination address. Once you're confident, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Coinbase. Step 5. Sit tight. The transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Bitmart account and check your wallet to see when the BNB arrives. A quick word of advice. Always verify wallet addresses and use the correct network to avoid irreversible errors. Also, be mindful of transaction fees, they can add up. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn BNB from Coinbase to Bitmart. I hope this guide made the process clear and easy. If you found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.